Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you your YouTube downloads have expired. Let me explain to you why that is so that it will not happen to you again. So if you have YouTube Premium and you basically click your downloads right here on the left and you realize your downloads is gone, then there's an easy explanation for this. You see, guys, once you download videos on YouTube, right? You have those videos available to you. But if you don't access YouTube with an active internet connection within 30 days, then YouTube clearly stated that these will be removed. So let me scroll down to the bottom and you can see right here in the fine print, it basically states that your downloads will only remain here if you have an active internet connection at least once in 30 days. So if you don't access YouTube or access the internet with YouTube once in 30 days from your PC, at least then your downloads will be gone, right? So just keep that in mind. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you have it. So it basically works if you sign into your account as well with your phone and you basically use the same account, then it will be there because the same downloads that you have on the YouTube app on your mobile, it's going to also show up on your phone. So
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
that should be pretty easy to manage within 30 days, at least if you're not somewhere out into the wild or in the desert without any internet connection. Then for 30 days, then you at least should be able to get an active internet connection at least. You can connect to a Wi-Fi or whatever, use your mobile data, ask someone to give you a hotspot or something, right? And you'll be able to connect to the internet, check it out, and use YouTube, and your downloads will be there. And that's it, guys. That's basically why your downloads missing if your downloads are missing on YouTube.